Hi everyone, it's John. Just thought I would show you my little garden here. This little tomato here, that is a summer girl. That's a summer girl. And then this one here is a Cherokee purple. Cherokee purple. And I'll use the skids to let them grow up and let the vines grow across. We have sweet peppers in here. That over there is a butternut squash. This is a Roman tomato. This here is a cucumber. More sweet peppers. And then this here is a cherry tomato. Sweet cherry tomato. And this little one here is a burpee big boy. Not very big right now, but that's a burpee big boy. So if you don't have much area and stuff, you can have a little garden. You can use skids. I'm going to get a couple more skids because over here in this little spot of dirt, I'm going to probably plant a watermelon here and a cantaloupe over here, and then I'll get skids and angle a skid up, you know, like in a triangle, so that the watermelon and cantaloupe can grow up the one side of the one skid and then down over on the other side of the skid. So this is what I did today. All right, everyone. Peace, love, joy, kindness.